Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. The secret to Thai food rely on two things: Thai herbs and Thai sauce. Herbs are all about the scent, but the mouth-watering taste comes from the sauce. Delicious Thai dishes come from perfect Thai sauce recipes. If you get the combination right, you are on your way to cooking perfect Thai food. The next time you find yourself in a Thai restaurant, look over to your neighbor's table. Oftentimes, you'll find small extra Thai sauces in those dishes, unless your particular Thai restaurant caters specifically to non-Thais. I guess what I'm saying is, the more Thai sauces you find on the tables, the more authentic Thai food you'll get. It's usually a good sign if those sauces in the small plates taste good. You can assume that other sauces probably comes from a well-made sauce recipes. Better yet, if you see condiments with Thai sauce and spices on the table, you know this restaurant is pretty authentic. Thai cooking is about blending herbs, spices, and sauces together. There's no better way to deliver all the intense flavors than Thai sauce. Thai sauce is divided into two categories: cooking sauce and dipping sauce. Thai sauces. Dipping sauce. Prik Nam Pla, fish sauce with sliced chili and lime juice, a universal sauce that goes with almost every rice dishes. Some restaurants included it in the condiment. Prik Nam Som, chili and vinegar sauce, condiment used to flavor noodles. Nam Prik Pao, roasted chili paste, condiment used in variety of dishes, soups, salads, stir-fries. Some Thais use Nam Prik Pao as jam substitute to spread on toast. RR jarred pickled cucumber salad, great dipping sauce for fried fish cakes, satay, and other fried appetizers. Nam Giam satay, peanut sauce, one of the most popular Thai sauces outside of Thailand. It tastes so good people do not only use it to dip satay but use it as salad dressing, pizza sauce substitute, pad Thai sauce substitute, and much more. The American should call it seafood sauce, whatever food you see you dip in this sauce. Nam Giam Talay, seafood sauce, yes, you've guessed it. Nam Giam Talay is a dipping sauce for all your seafood need. Move over melted butter. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth. This bad boy is full of flavor, and once you take a bite, the intense combination of spicy, sour, salty and sweet will knock your socks off, if made right. Nam Giam Boy, plum sauce, popular among kid and people who cannot handle spicy food. Nam Giam Boy is great for any fried dishes. Jig Cho, vinaigrette soy sauce, used for making hot and sour soup and dipping sauce for pot sticker and dim sum. Nam Giam Gai, chicken dipping sauce, sweet and spicy sauce. Great with barbecue chicken. Nam Giam Sai Rong Hai, crying tiger sauce. Crying tiger is one of the more popular dishes in the US. Seared medium rare beef served with dipping sauce, consists of fish sauce, ground roasted rice, chili pepper, soy sauce, and lime juice. Cooking sauce. Nam Pla, fish sauce, for adding salty flavor. Use in soups, stir fry, and making sauces. You will find fish sauce in dishes like tom yum, hot and sour soup, tom kha, coconut soup, and pad krapow, stir fry holy basil. Nam Som Sai Choo, vinegar, for adding sour flavor. Use in soups, sweet and sour stir fry. Pad Thai sauce, used for cooking pad Thai. Pad Thai recipe will be given in our later article. Phu Khao Tong, green lid soy sauce, flavored soy sauce. One of the important sauce which included in many Thai stir-fry sauce recipe ciew dum, sweet black soy sauce, for making pad ciew, sweet stir-fried noodle with Chinese broccoli and meat. Ingredient in Khao Mun Khai, broiled chicken meat over flavored rice, dipping sauce ciew cow, light soy sauce, important sauce in many dipping sauce. Tamarind juice, important ingredient in pad Thai sauce. Included in some dipping sauce and Thai kang som soup, sour soup with tamarind-based, oyster sauce, ingredient in many Thai stir-fry sauce recipe including sweet and sour stir-fry. Curry paste, all curry pastes have similar herbs and spices but different proportion. Thai curry recipe will be given in our later article. Green curry paste, yellow curry paste, red curry paste, Mussaman curry paste, Chu Chi curry paste, Panang curry paste, Kua Kling curry paste, Southern Thai food, Kang Pa curry paste, not popular in foreign country, Kang Som curry paste, not popular in foreign country. As you can see from the list above, Thai food rely mostly on Thai sauce. When you mix and match sauces, they become totally different dishes. Even the same dishes, different proportion make a big difference in flavor. That's why sauce recipe is the key to separate good Thai food from outstanding Thai delicacy. Like I said, if you got that combination right, you are on your way to cooking perfect Thai food. Who loves Thai food? We do. And we hope you do too, or at least we hope you will soon. Anyways, local Thai food is run by just a few of us locals here in Southern California and we'd love to meet you. Why Thai food? That's a great question. Now here's a great answer: we like Thai food. Well, actually, we love Thai food. And we love Thai food so much that we think you should love it too. And so it's our goal to provide everyone who loves Thai food, or anyone who loves food in general, with a fast and easy way to find the food they love. What is local Thai food? The answer is pretty simple: spicy and delicious Thai food so close you can smell it. Well, maybe not that close, but close enough to fill yourself on great food, and fast. You see, localthaifood.com's job is to help you find Thai restaurants that are in your immediate area, or as close as possible, and to help you choose the one that best fits your Thai food needs. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in description below.